Well, I'm making dinner, and I'm grilling some chicken right now. I've gotten 2 packs of chicken breasts, diced them up, put them in the pan. Taken some soy sauce, put it also in the pan. Taking a little bit of Montreal chicken spices, I'm going to add that on there too. It's maybe an odd mixture of flavors, but we'll see. So I have all that in. I'm going to put the heat up to, kind of medium, a little above medium. And I'm going to go over here to get my spatula. So I have a spatula here. And let me swap with you again if I can. Swap spots with you. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir, kind of get the chicken coated where it has the soy and the spices on it.
Seriously, that does smell good.
Yeah, absolutely. And then over there in that pot, I don't know if you're still filming. Do you have filming limits, like 30 seconds, or does it keep going?
No, it's keep going.
So, next thing I'll do is add water to... Alright, so then I'll add some water to that. Chicken cooks pretty quickly, so I'm going to go here, add water. It'll take this water a while to boil.
How long would you say?
7-8 minutes probably.
Okay.
And by then the chicken's pretty close to done. So it works if I put the water on at the same time I start the chicken. Okay, so the chicken is now done and the pasta just finished boiling. So what I'm going to do, I have a strainer set up over here in the sink, and I'm going to pour the pasta into the strainer. The strainer has holes in it, so the pasta doesn't go through, but the liquid does. Then I pour this back in here. Pardon me, I'm going to step back over here. And now you'll see that we have on here, we have chicken and pasta ready to go. And it's time to eat.